I'd say make sure you don't fall behind, because I know it's the same from experience. When you fall behind, you sort of get stuck in that hole, and it's hard to get yourself back out. And also, just, I don't know, get the courage to get yourself out as well. Because when you're that low, you get to the point where you're like, alright, stop it, who cares? You just gotta make sure you just keep going. Do all the work in TAFE. Don't go home, because teachers will help you with it. They'll help you do it. So just try to stay there as much as you can.
Yeah, just making sure that you're on track with all the work is very important, as there's a lot of stuff that you got to work on. Just keeping track on where you're at, and teachers, the trainers are always there to make sure that you stay on track and get all the work done when you need it.
And at first, when I got things sent back, I thought it was like a bad thing, but you get unlimited attempts, and the trainers are there to get you through the course.
Alright, Seb, you can start with that. You'll be successful.
Someone who works really hard and knows what they want. So if you have someone who is really dedicated to becoming a fitness trainer or a coach in the future, their work efforts towards the course is much more, of a want rather than someone who's not. So just know what you want from the course and do work really hard in that area.
I feel like you got to be both practically and book smart. You got to know what you're doing, but at the same time you got to know everything about it. You can't be one-sided. You got to know both. I'd say probably nearly the same as Seb. You just got to have a goal and have that tunnel vision, and just just stick to that goal. Don't give up until you've actually achieved the goal. That's sort of somewhat successful, I guess.
Probably the amount that I can interact with the trainer. So just having that eligibility to talk to someone one-on-one who knows a lot about the course that you're doing is very helpful, and makes learning so much easier.
I think it's really good because Kim actually knows what she's talking about. I can talk to her about something, a question I have, and then she'll answer it, actually give me a response, and it'll help me with my work, not just...
My fitness trainer, she's very energetic, very knowledgeable, and she's currently a PT in the industry, so it's more relevant information compared to if you're being trained by another trainer that wasn't.